So, welcome to this lesson. I believe you must have seen this video that I created. I created this with a body effect, and I'm going to show you how I did it. I created it with CapCut. So we're just going to go to the CapCut app. In the CapCut app, you click on New Project, find the video, select it, and then before we apply this effect, remember this app, the good things don't work without data. So you make sure your data is turned on. So my data is turned on. I'm just going to go to effect. There are two types of effects. They have the body effect and the video effect. Video effect and body effect. What I used in that video is a body effect. I'm going to show you how to use both in a bit, but I'm going to start from the body effect. So you click on body effect. You see different effects you can use on your body. Is loading. This is crying. This is like there's lots of effects to use. Yeah, there are lots of effects to use. If you want to get to a more detailed, like you want to see just the one for body, you can just click on body. Then you see there's the one I used. There are lots of body effects here you can choose from. When you go to surrounding, there are also surrounding kind of effects. So basically you just apply to your video in the way you want to apply. They also had headwear. Sounds like an angel. Devil. Oh my god, I'm not a devil. Alright. So like there are different ways you can do this. So that's what I did. So I'm just going to go to body. I'm going to click on this. And I'm going to check this here. Now, if I want to apply another one, you can see it's just from here to here. So if I play it, when it comes here, it stops. So for me to apply another one here, I have to go back to the body effect again and maybe look for something else. Something like this is how I changed. Do you see? So it's like a kind of like a mini transition of what I did here. So if we play it from the beginning, this is how it looks. Okay. Then for the video effect, let me show you how the video effect works. You go to video effect, then there are different kind of video. For this one applies to the whole video. It applies to the whole video. It doesn't apply to the body per se. So there are different kind of video effects you can use. So the app is just amazing. I'd like you to explore it and see what you can do with it. I would like to see your videos, post them on the support group so we can see how creative you are and how amazing, because I trust you're going to use this future because I like it and I'm sure you like it too. So that's how to create a special video effect and body effects. See you in the next lesson.